Hot.
Oh, these are great.
Okay. Hi, everybody. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be showing you how to bake some cherry cream cheese Danish out of these yummy Hawaiian rolls. Get started. Okay, what you're going to need is a package of Hawaiian rolls. Now, this recipe calls for 12, and I have a package of 16, so I am going to take 4 of these rolls out, and we're going to prepare these 12 rolls. And what you'll need is a 13 by 9 baking dish. And let's get this sprayed really well. Coat that. And then take your 12 rolls and do not separate these. Just leave them just like they are and put them down in your pan just like this. Okay, and then next, what I'm going to do is take a serrated knife, like a steak knife that's serrated on the end, just like this. And what you will want to do is take the very top of the roll and just cut a small square, and don't go all the way through. We're just going to make small squares in each one of the rolls. And we're going to pop this out just like that. So that's how it's going to look in each one of the rolls. I don't know if you can see that square, but I would save these because what you can do with these is make croutons for a salad. What I would do is just put them in a bag and save them, and then pop them in the oven and cook them with maybe some butter and some garlic. Fantastic croutons. So don't throw those away. So I'm going to prepare the rest of my rolls, and then I'm going to show you what we're going to make to put in these yummy rolls. Okay, so this is what your rolls will look like once you get the holes cut out of the middle. And I just put my little leftovers in a little baggie. Like I said, I'm going to make croutons with those. They'll be fabulous for another time. Okay, what you're going to need next is 1 stick of butter melted. And we're going to melt this in the microwave real quick, and then I'll show you the other ingredients that goes along with this. Okay, so once our butter has melted, I am going to take 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and we are going to add that right in to our butter, just like that. These are going to be so good. These can be for any occasion. They can be a breakfast dish. It can be a dessert, something that you need to take to a function. It'll be a hit no matter what you do. These will be yummy. Okay, so I've got my brown sugar, and we're going to need 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And we're just going to take our cinnamon just like this and add it right to the butter. What we're going to do is take this mixture, and we're going to put it all over our rolls, down the sides, in the middle where you cut out the hole, just all inside, and incorporate all of this yummy cinnamon mixture into these rolls, just like this. Okay, so what I have done is I just put all of that mixture. It may look like it's a lot, but it's not. Trust me. These rolls soak that in, and this is what it'll look like. And oh, I can't wait to have these tonight. We're going to have ours as a dessert. So what I'm going to do next is 1 package of cream cheese. Now this needs to be at room temperature. If you just took it out of the refrigerator, pop it in the microwave just for a minute and let this get softened. I'm going to see if mine's soft enough. I think it is. To mix it, yes it is. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to cream this in my bowl here. Now you will not have to use a mixer for this. Okay, so once that's all mixed together really well, you're going to need 1 egg. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this in my little dish to make sure the egg's okay. And then I am going to just beat this just for a minute right here and add it into my cream cheese, just like that. Then we're going to need 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. We're just going to add that in just like that. And then we're going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to put that in there and mix this all together, just like so. So once your mixture is all mixed together, and I've already started putting my mixture down in my little holes that I made in my rolls here, you just fill these up to the top here, just like so. And I hope everybody's having a great day while I'm doing this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I love hearing from all of you. I tell you every time, but it's absolutely true, and I thank you so much for supporting me. Okay, so I have my Danish just about ready and filled. Don't they look so good? What I'm going to do next is I've got some cherry pie filling. Now you can use any kind of pie filling that you choose, but we love the cherry. And so I'm just going to take a dollop of each and put on top of these. And make sure you get a little cherry in there. And just fill each one just like that. Okay, so once you have your pie filling on top of these, we're going to bake these in the oven at 375 degrees for about 10 or 15 minutes. We don't want them to burn, but we do want them to be cooked through and through. So stay tuned because I'm going to make a yummy icing to go on top. You don't want to miss that. Okay, our Danish are out of the oven and mine cooked for about 11 minutes. Look how beautiful. They are golden brown. They're crispy from having all that butter on them, and I'll show them to you on the bottom here in a little bit. But I'm going to make my icing for these, and I'm going to start with 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Now, you can eat these just by themselves, just like they are, or you can put this yummy glaze on here. And then what I'm going to do, I really kind of never measure this. I think I'm just going to take a couple of teaspoons of milk to start with and see if that's the texture that I want. Okay, I've got that mixed together, and I'm going to add just about 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla to this. And I'm going to see if this is the consistency, because you want it kind of thin so you can drizzle it on top of it. Let me see here. I think I'm going to add just a tad more milk to mine. Okay. I've got it the consistency I want. Now I'm just going to take my spoon. I'm just going to start drizzling this over these yummy Danish. Oh my goodness. I bet you guys will never want to buy a store-bought Danish anymore because this is so simple and easy, and these are truly, truly delicious. Okay, so I have this icing on here. These are still hot. Look how beautiful this is. And I'm going to try it. Better yet, I have somebody else that's going to try it. So it's one of his favorites. So you want to come have a piece? All right, I'm about to share the love. But let's look at this. Look how yummy they look on the bottom. How yummy they are here.
Those look great.
Okay, you can tell me. Okay, you guys, thank you. Go share the love and tell somebody you love them.